Can a woman truly forget a man who touched her mind before her heart? What if I told you there's a psychological trick, not a pickup line, not a manipulation, but a real mental pattern that, once activated, makes her think about you over and over again, even when she tries not to? Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, once said, "Unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and will come forth later in uglier ways." Today, we're diving into a psychological key, a subtle move that creates emotional echo in her subconscious. If you use it wisely, you'll become unforgettable, not just to her heart, but to her unconscious mind. Sigmund Freud, an Austrian neurologist and the founder of psychoanalysis, changed how we understand the human mind. He introduced the idea that our behaviors are often driven not by logic, but by hidden desires, suppressed memories, and emotional patterns we don't even recognize. Freud believed that our unconscious mind holds powerful emotional forces, and that love, attraction, even obsession are often driven by these unseen energies. His famous quote says it all: "We are not the masters of our own minds." So, what does this mean in relationships? It means that sometimes the people we can't forget are not the ones who treated us best, but the ones who triggered something deeper inside us.
This trick is called emotional anchoring through incompletion. Sounds fancy, but let me break it down. People don't obsess over what they fully understand. They obsess over what left them curious, confused, or incomplete. Imagine you're kind, always available, giving constant attention, clear with your intentions. You'd think you're doing everything right, but often this is exactly why you're easy to forget. The brain doesn't cling to what's obvious. It clings to what's unresolved. A woman remembers the man who left a question inside her, who made her feel something but didn't label it, who gave her a moment but left it unfinished, who showed up deeply and disappeared silently. Freud taught that repressed desires, the things we almost had, almost understood, almost felt, become obsessions in the unconscious mind. And when that happens, she starts thinking of you not because she wants to, but because her mind is searching for closure that never came. Now, before you think this is about manipulation, it's not. This is about awareness, emotional intelligence, timing. So how do you apply this? 1. Don't always be available. Leave space. Mystery lives in the gaps. 2. Speak with depth, but not full clarity. Say something meaningful, then pause. Let her wonder. 3. Connect through a powerful moment, then withdraw. Make her associate you with something unforgettable. 4. Show emotional presence, then give distance. Let her imagination do the work. That's where obsession grows. 5. Never over-explain yourself. The more she tries to figure you out, the more you live in her mind. Again, this isn't about being cold. It's about being unpredictably present, a paradox that the unconscious finds irresistible.
Most women don't realize this. Their attraction isn't always based on logic, lists, or conscious choices. Freud believed that women, like men, are deeply influenced by their unconscious desires, especially ones they can't explain. That's why sometimes a woman says, "I don't know why I can't stop thinking about him." And the reason is, he didn't give her everything. He gave her a puzzle, an unfinished sentence, a feeling without a name. The unconscious clings to incompleteness. It replays it. It tries to resolve it. And in doing so, it keeps you alive inside her, even when you're gone. So no, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand how her inner world works. Once you do that, you'll no longer chase attention. You'll become the memory she can't delete. If you truly want to be unforgettable, don't aim for constant presence. Aim for impactful moments, followed by thoughtful silence. Be the question, not the answer. Be the moment she replays in her mind again and again, looking for meaning. Because in love, as Freud showed us, the most powerful feelings are not born from certainty, but from mystery. If this spoke to you, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. And drop a comment. Have you ever been unable to forget someone, even when you tried? Let's talk psychology in the comments.